Welcome to this lesson on AWS WAF, which stands for Web Application Firewall. WAF is a critical security service designed to protect your web applications from common exploits and vulnerabilities. As part of the AWS Security series, understanding WAF is essential for building secure cloud applications. AWS WAF is a web application firewall that monitors and filters HTTP and HTTPS requests before they reach your web applications. It operates at the application layer, also known as Layer 7 of the OSI model. This means WAF can inspect the actual content of web requests, making it highly effective at identifying and blocking malicious traffic patterns. AWS WAF protects against several common web exploits. First, SQL injection attacks, where attackers try to insert malicious SQL code into your database queries. Second, cross-site scripting or XSS attacks, which involve injecting malicious scripts into web pages. Third, distributed denial of service or DDoS attacks that attempt to overwhelm your application with excessive traffic. And fourth, malicious bot traffic that can scrape content, perform credential stuffing, or abuse your APIs. The WAF workflow is straightforward. When a user sends a request to your application, it first passes through AWS WAF. The firewall then inspects the request against configured rules. Based on whether the request matches any rules, WAF takes an action, either allowing the legitimate request to proceed to your application or blocking suspicious requests before they can cause harm. AWS WAF is built around three core components. First, web ACLs or access control lists, which act as containers holding all the rules for protecting your resources. Second, rules, which define the specific conditions used to inspect incoming web requests. And third, rule groups, which are collections of rules that can be reused across multiple web ACLs, making it easier to maintain consistent security policies. When a request matches a rule, WAF can take one of four actions. The allow action permits the request to reach your application. The block action returns a custom HTTP 403 forbidden response to the user. The count action tracks requests that match the rule without actually blocking them, which is useful for testing rules before enforcement. And the CAPTCHA action challenges users to verify they are human before allowing their request through. AWS provides pre-configured rule groups called AWS Managed Rules, which are maintained by AWS and security vendors. These include the core rule set based on OWASP Top 10 protections, known bad inputs rules that defend against common vulnerabilities and exploits, and application-specific rule groups tailored for platforms like WordPress, PHP, and other common web frameworks. These managed rules save time and provide enterprise-grade protection without requiring deep security expertise. AWS WAF integrates seamlessly with several AWS services. You can attach it to CloudFront distributions, application load balancers, API Gateway REST APIs, and AWS AppSync GraphQL APIs. The key benefits include pay-as-you-go pricing with no upfront costs, real-time visibility into web traffic patterns, low latency protection that doesn't slow down your application, and easy deployment that can be completed in minutes through the AWS console or infrastructure as code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.